Need an innovative temporary space solution for your worksite? Think outside the box. Try our SmartSpace units. Remove, relocate, or replace wall panels, windows, and doors. The custom workplace modules are carefully and quickly assembled, so you can spend your time on what's most important, the work. No matter what the project, SmartSpace takes all the benefits of modular construction to a new level of efficiency and flexibility, without compromising on quality and durability. The building block design allows you to create stackable complexes up to 3 units high and attach multiple SmartSpace units end-to-end or side-by-side to expand your workspace. Heating, cooling, electrical, and network capability are fully integrated, giving you all the comfort and functionality you need. From offices to showrooms, our versatile units are only limited by your imagination. Our wide selection of add-on products will allow you to get to work the moment you walk in the door. Looking for innovative modular space solutions? Think outside the box. Visit BOXXmodular.com to get SmartSpace on site for your next project.